Hi friends, welcome back to Channa Tech Point. Today's session we are going to see how to create an IAM admin user in AWS. Open AWS console, type IAM, select the IAM service. This is the IAM dashboard. Click on users, click on add users. Username is Channa Tech Point. Check the provide user access AWS management console. Scroll down. Select the second option. I want to create an IAM user. Here it will provide the two options. First one is auto generated password. Otherwise we can create our custom password. I am selecting the second one. Here we need to provide the custom password. Scroll down. Uncheck this one. No need to check this one because it will create a new password for the next signing. Present not needed. Click on next. Select the first option, add user to group. Click on create group. Group name is admin. I am selecting the administrator access. Scroll down. Click on create user group. It will create the group. Admin user group created. Scroll down. Here you can see admin user group created. Click on permissions. No need to change anything. Click on next. Here you can see the details. User details, username, console password type is custom password. Required password reset is no need to reset the password. Click on create user. Here you can see admin user created. It will generate the one URL, username and password. We need to send an email. Click on this button. It will generate the email with these details. I will connect with these details. For that we need to use any other browser or we need to use the incognito window. Copy this URL. I will open this URL in private browser. Click on enter. I will place side by side so you can understand better. You can see this is my root account. This is the admin user account. Copy the username, paste it here. Copy the password, paste it here. Click on sign in. Here you can see I can successfully log in with these details. You can see here Channa Tech Point AWS is the root account. Account ID is 521520332437. Here you can see this is my admin account with those details. I log in as a IAM user. IAM username is Channa Tech Point. In this way we can create a AWS admin user